So we have a Momentum 349M. My favorite part about the Momentum is I would say the patio out back.
And my favorite part would be the kitchen. I like how the island does not have the sink in it and it's off to the side. That's my favorite part of it.
We originally owned an Imagine 2800, was the number 12 Imagine built, and was one of the originals, didn't have a front cap, and we loved it. It was great, but we had some changes in our lives that made us want to get something a little bit bigger, and we decided we really wanted to get to this Momentum. That was our life goal, but we just weren't there yet when we were ready for that, and so we got to a 340, or we went to a 3150 Imagine shortly after the 2800, and then we went to again, we wanted that 349, but it just didn't work out at that time. We brought the 349 to Birch Run, Michigan, and we were camping. We decided we needed a new piece for our sewer hose. We went to the dealer in Birch Run and to pick that piece up and talk to our sales guy. And of course, he says, "Hey, let me show you this Momentum we got." And I said, "No, I was pretty set on something else." And we had just bought the 3150, and he says, "No, come on out and take a look at it." And so we went out and took a look at it, and you know, we just couldn't stop talking about it. And it was 30 days later, we had made that deal again. So this is Jack Weaver from the Grand Design Tech team, and he's been great helping us getting our toilet repaired and also getting some awning lights fixed. And they've just been wonderful to work with, and we really appreciate that.